Do you believe it's possible for your body to quietly burn fat even while you're sleeping? Just 1 warm cup of ginger and cinnamon tea before bed. Something so simple can help you sleep more deeply. Wake up feeling lighter, and gradually slim your waistline night after night. What's fascinating is that this isn't a quick fix diet trick. Nor is it about harsh fasting or deprivation. It's the natural way for your body to restore balance, detoxify, and gently burn excess energy, all while you rest. Today, I'll share with you a traditional remedy that many people have successfully used to burn fat overnight. Warm the body, cleanse the liver and kidneys, and improve sleep quality within just a few days of consistent use. Before we dive into today's main content, if you enjoy natural health tips, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on notifications so you won't miss any of the newest videos from Live Healthy every day. Your single like or encouraging comment means the world. It gives me energy and inspiration to keep sharing more wellness secrets to help us all live healthier, happier lives. My dear friends, before I reveal the detailed recipe for this fat-burning drink, I'd like to briefly explain why drinking it before bed a time that may seem ordinary, can actually bring such surprising benefits. After a long day of work, our bodies are usually tired, energy is depleted, and metabolism slows down. As night falls, the body's circadian rhythm shifts into rest mode, the heart rate decreases, breathing evens out, and the digestive system slows its activity. That's why, if we choose the right kind of drink at this moment, it can both relax the body and support the natural fat metabolizing process that continues throughout sleep. A warm cup of ginger and cinnamon tea about 30 minutes before bed gently stimulates blood circulation. Both ginger and cinnamon are warming spices. Once inside the body, they help dilate blood vessels and improve circulation, especially in the tiny capillaries under the skin and around the abdomen. As blood flow increases, the body's temperature rises slightly. This rise in temperature activates a process known as natural thermogenesis, meaning the body produces heat to maintain internal balance. During this process, stored white fat is gradually converted into usable energy That's why people often call it the fat burning while you sleep effect. From a scientific perspective, when the body is at rest but continues producing heat, it actually burns more calories than usual. Ginger contains gingerol and shogal, 2 compounds that enhance lipid metabolism, helping fat oxidize more quickly. Cinnamon, on the other hand, helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing the body from storing excess glucose as fat during the night. As a result, instead of freezing energy, your body keeps burning it quietly and gently all through your sleep. Interestingly, when we enter deep sleep, the hormone melatonin which regulates our sleep cycle, also plays a role in energy metabolism and cell renewal. Drinking ginger cinnamon tea before bed not only improves sleep quality but also synchronizes the body's natural detox and restoration process. In other words, it's the golden time to support fat reduction and natural recovery. If you maintain this small nightly habit consistently, you'll soon feel noticeable changes: deeper sleep, lighter mornings, less bloating in the lower abdomen, and renewed energy throughout the day. A simple habit, but one that can bring powerful benefits to both your health and your shape. And now, let's move on to the detailed recipe for the ginger cinnamon lemon drink a warm, soothing tea loved by many for its ability to burn fat, warm the body, and promote restful sleep every night. The first ingredient is fresh ginger. Ginger has long been considered one of the most valuable medicinal roots in both traditional Eastern medicine and modern science. For centuries, it's been used to warm the body, relieve pain, aid digestion, and strengthen immunity. Its key components, gingerol asterisk and asterisk shogal, have strong thermogenic effects, boosting metabolism, accelerating calorie burning, and helping to break down stored white fat beneath the skin. When we drink asterisk warm ginger water, our blood vessels gently dilate, improving circulation and allowing blood to flow more efficiently to vital organs, especially the asterisk liver and kidneys. This helps the body detoxify more effectively during sleep. In addition, the warming nature of ginger helps asterisk reduce cold hands and feet, stabilize blood pressure, and most importantly, enhance the body's energy burning efficiency even while at rest. Another remarkable point is that ginger contains abundant asterisk natural antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation, fight cellular oxidation, and slow down aging. Thanks to this, the body stays healthy, burns fat effectively, and maintains internal balance at the same time. The second ingredient is asterisk cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a fragrant spice found in every kitchen. It's also a valuable asterisk medicinal herb in Eastern medicine, asterisk. Its warm, distinctive aroma comes from a compound called asterisk cinnamaldehyde, which can stimulate enzymes responsible for energy metabolism, thereby asterisk increasing thermogenesis and promoting fat burning. According to several studies, cinnamaldehyde also helps asterisk stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing sudden spikes in insulin, a common cause of fat accumulation, especially around the abdomen. Moreover, cinnamon helps asterisk lower bad cholesterol, LDL, asterisk and asterisk raise good cholesterol, HDL, asterisk, contributing to heart health and better circulation. Interestingly, the natural scent of cinnamon has a asterisk mild calming effect, helping reduce stress and relax the nervous system, which in turn makes it easier to fall into a deep, restful sleep. That's why cinnamon is the asterisk perfect partner for ginger asterisk. Together, they burn fat during sleep while also soothing the mind for peaceful rest. The third ingredient is asterisk fresh lemon asterisk, a small fruit packed with powerful nutrients. Lemon provides asterisk vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals, reduces inflammation, and strengthens the immune system. But what's even more interesting is that vitamin C also helps the body produce asterisk carnitine, a compound essential for transporting fatty acids into cells where they're converted into energy, meaning it directly supports the body's fat-burning process. Additionally, citric acid asterisk in lemon stimulates digestion, cleanses the liver, and enhances natural detoxification. When combined with asterisk ginger and cinnamon, both warming ingredients, asterisk lemon brings balance to the tea, giving it a mild, pleasant taste that's easy to drink without being too strong or spicy. This balance of flavors is also why many people can asterisk maintain the habit of drinking this tea every night asterisk without ever getting tired of it. When asterisk ginger, cinnamon, and lemon asterisk are combined, these three humble ingredients don't just work individually, they create a powerful asterisk synergistic effect, meaning their benefits multiply when used together, providing a more complete and balanced impact on the body. First, ginger asterisk acts as a asterisk, natural heat catalyst. Once inside the body, compounds such as asterisk gingerol asterisk and asterisk shogal asterisk stimulate blood circulation, dilate blood vessels, and gently warm the body. This thermogenic process not only drives away cold sensations but also asterisk activates the body's fat-burning mechanism, allowing excess fat, especially around the abdomen and thighs, to be gradually converted into usable energy. Meanwhile, cinnamon asterisk functions like a asterisk metabolic rhythm regulator. Its key compound, cinnamaldehyde, enhances the activity of enzymes that metabolize sugar and fat, helping stabilize blood sugar and prevent energy from being stored as white fat. Cinnamon also improves asterisk insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use glucose more efficiently and avoid fatigue or sluggishness during weight management. As a result, drinking cinnamon-infused water not only promotes fat burning but also helps keep energy levels stable and supports better sleep. Lemon, though small, plays an equally crucial role. The vitamin C and citric acid in lemon boost liver function, promote detoxification, and enhance blood purification, all while supporting efficient fat metabolism. Lemon also stimulates the production of carnitine, a compound essential for transporting fatty acids into cells to be oxidized and burned for energy. In simple terms, lemon acts as the key that unlocks the body's fat-burning door. When these three ingredients blend harmoniously, ginger warms, cinnamon balances, and lemon cleanses they form a complete cycle for natural fat reduction. The body's metabolism is boosted, detoxification is supported, the liver and kidneys function more efficiently, blood flows more smoothly, and sleep becomes deeper and more restful. What makes this drink remarkable is that it doesn't cause dehydration, exhaustion, or sudden weight loss like many other diet methods. Instead, it helps the body self-regulate through its natural biological rhythm, allowing fat to be burned gradually while keeping the skin radiant and the mind refreshed. With consistent use each night, you'll notice real changes, a lighter belly, a warmer body, deeper sleep, and more morning energy. That's why ginger cinnamon lemon tea is considered a perfect harmony between Eastern herbal wisdom and modern nutritional science a drink that detoxifies, aids weight loss, and restores the body naturally and sustainably. Just one warm cup before bed offers hours of benefit through the night, helping your body rest, renew, and burn excess energy in the gentlest way possible. How to prepare it? You'll need 3 slices of fresh ginger, about half a centimeter thick. 1 small cinnamon stick or 1/2 teaspoon of pure cinnamon powder. 1/2 fresh lemon. 200 milliliters of boiling water. Add the ginger and cinnamon to the boiling water. Cover, and let steep for about 10 minutes. When the water is warm, squeeze in the lemon half. You can add 1 teaspoon of raw honey if you prefer a milder, pleasant flavor. Drink about * 30 minutes before bed * for the best results. A * warm cup of ginger cinnamon lemon tea * each evening not only relaxes your body but also * activates natural thermogenesis, helps * burn excess fat, and promotes a * deep, peaceful sleep. However, my dear friends, there are a few important things to keep in mind. If you have * stomach ulcers, low blood pressure, or are pregnant, it's best to * reduce the amount of lemon * or avoid using too much cinnamon. Also, avoid drinking this tea on an * empty stomach, as the acid from the lemon and the spicy compounds in ginger may irritate the stomach lining. When used regularly * 3 to 4 times a week, this drink can * boost metabolism, burn fat naturally, detoxify gently, and, most importantly, help you feel lighter, more relaxed, and sleep more soundly every night. This is truly the smart nighttime drink nature has gifted us. Just 1 small cup each evening can bring remarkable changes, a lighter belly, deeper sleep, and a refreshed spirit every morning. My dear friends, losing weight or maintaining good health doesn't always require grand efforts. Sometimes, a simple cup of warm tea at night, made from humble ingredients like ginger, cinnamon, and lemon, can bring about profound transformation to your body. When we drink this tea before bed, we're not just supporting fat metabolism, we're also showing love to our bodies in the most natural and gentle way. Ginger warms, cinnamon balances energy, and lemon purifies, the perfect harmony between traditional Eastern medicine and modern nutritional science. Between external care and internal healing. Many people believe that to lose weight, they must starve, exercise excessively, or rely on expensive pills and supplements. But in truth, the human body is incredibly intelligent. When we help it return to balance, everything begins to self-adjust naturally. A warm cup of this tea before sleep not only aids digestion and detoxification but also relaxes the mind, allowing the body to heal and restore energy while we rest. Science has shown that when we sleep well, the hormones leptin and ghrelin which control hunger and fullness, stay balanced. This means we feel less craving, eat more moderately, and digest food more efficiently. Therefore, drinking ginger cinnamon lemon tea nightly not only promotes fat burning but also helps reset your biological rhythm and build healthier habits. Try maintaining this simple routine every evening for at least 3 to 4 weeks. Over time, you'll notice real changes, a lighter body, a flatter belly, brighter skin, and deeper sleep. This is the natural synergy that no artificial weight loss product can truly offer. Because what truly matters isn't how many pounds you lose, but how much better you feel lighter, stronger, and more at peace each day. When the body is healthy, the mind becomes joyful, and that positive energy is the secret to staying young, loving life, and living happily. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe to Live Healthy Every Day, and share it with your loved ones so we can all enjoy healthy habits together. Wishing you a peaceful night, a deep sleep, a light heart, and renewed energy born from life's simplest joys. Crescent Moon. See you again in the next video.